Hello students, welcome to your JC class. In the last video we read about body parts and also we read how our hands and legs help us. And we understood there that without hands and legs, what are the difficulties we will face? Okay, in this video we are going to read about the 5 sense organs. Okay, so remember students, there are our 5 sense organs. Okay, so what are that? First one is your nose. Okay, this one is your nose. You can see the picture also. This one is your eye. This one is your skin. This one is your ear. This one is your tongue. Okay, so remember students, there are our 5 sense organs. Okay, first is your nose, eye, skin, ear and tongue. These are the 5 sense organs. Okay, so one by one we will read them. We will read how the sense organs help us. Okay. So children, what are called sense organs? So sense organs means, so there are some parts who help us to know the world around us. Means they give the idea about what is happening in our surrounding. Okay, they are called the sense organs. So what are our sense organs? That is your eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So we just now we saw the individually pictures of these 5 sense organs. Yes, okay, then so first we will read about the eyes. Okay, so how eyes help us? You know that eyes help us to see whatever is there in our surrounding. Everything we can see only through our eyes. Okay, so you can see this one is your eye, one eye picture only here it is given. Okay, then we can see the things like your car, this is your bed, this is your toys, this one is your tree. Okay, and whatever is there in your surrounding, your pencil, eraser, benches, okay, wall, fan, light, your parents, your siblings, water, everything you can see through your eyes. Okay, then your nose. Okay, so you know that nose help us to smell and breathe. If you will press your nose for some times, if you hold like that, then you can't breathe, and if you can't breathe, that means you will die. So nose only help us to breathe and smell. Okay, so here you can see this nose picture, it is given there. Okay, so you can smell the flower, you can smell the perfume, then any bad smell also there, no, like from your dustbin or drain. Okay, that smell also you can feel. Then you can smell your tasty food items, you can smell, no. Sometimes after smelling your tasty food you are feeling hungry, yes or no. So you can smell all the bad smells and good smells also. Okay, then next sense organ is your ears. So how many ears do you have, students? Obviously 2. You have 2 ears. Okay, 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. Okay, then so our ears help us to hear different sounds. Okay, so there are many kinds of sound, like you're ringing the bell, then In case of your songs, so many loud songs and some songs are very smooth. Some are remix and some are very smooth and soft. Okay, like your band's sound. Band means band baja. Do you know in Bharati? That is, they are doing that one. They are playing that. Okay, that sounds very loud. No, then your car's horn or bus horn, that one also very loud. If someone is singing, that is very soft and smooth. No, so there are many kinds of sounds. Okay, everything you can hear, but some sounds are very harmful to your ears also. Okay, that is your disco and so much loud noises, that is very harmful to your ears. Okay, if you will hear continuously very loud sounds through your earphone or headphone or any normally also, if you will hear, then after some days you will be deaf. Okay, deaf. Deaf means those who can't hear. Okay, if you will continuously hear so much noisy sounds or so much very loud sounds, you may be deaf. Okay, then your next sense organ, that is your tongue. Okay, so how tongues help us? Tongue help us to taste. Okay, we can taste the sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Okay, sweet means you know that is mitha, salty means nuniya, bitter means pitta and sour means khota. Okay, so we can taste all these things through our tongue only, with our tongue. Okay, our tongue help us to taste, remember. Okay, this one is your lemon. How lemon taste? Lemon taste sour. This apple sweet. This chocolate also is sweet. Okay, and this bitter gourd is, it tastes bitter only. Okay, then your next sense organ is your skin. Okay, our skin help us to feel. What we can feel? We can feel hot, cold, soft and rough things with our skin. Okay, we can feel if our climate is very cold or if our climate is very hot. So we can feel all this with our skin. Okay, if anything seems very rough or hard, we can feel through our or with our skin. Okay, so these are the key words, like this way you have to remember. Okay, this one is your nose, which help us to smell and breathe. This one is your eye, which help us to see. This one is your skin, which help us to touch. This one is your ears, which help us to hear. This one is your tongue, which help us to taste. Okay, so remember these 5 sense organs and write how they help us. Okay, so you have to write 4 times the name of 5 sense organs and how they help us. Okay, so this is your homework. So this much for today's class. Thank you. Next day or next video, we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Okay, thank you.